We'll guide you through how to verify your identity on Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard and look for the Settings tab on the right side. Click on it, and then select Identity Verification from the drop-down menu. This is where you'll need to provide your personal information. Enter your full legal name, address, and date of birth. Make sure all the details match your official documents to avoid any delays. Next, you'll be prompted to upload a government-issued ID. This can be a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Ensure that the ID is valid and not expired. You'll also want to make sure the photo is clear and legible. Once you've uploaded your ID, Stripe may ask for additional documentation, like a utility bill, to verify your address. If prompted, upload a recent bill that clearly shows your name and address. After submitting all necessary documents, Stripe will review your information. This process might take a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on the volume of verifications they're processing. You can check the status of your verification in the same identity verification section of the settings. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation email from Stripe, and your account will be fully set up to receive payments. Remember, keeping your documents up to date and accurate will help in any future verification processes. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.